What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sedi and we have received the OnePlus 6T, the latest phone from OnePlus. Not only comes in a new box, but there are a lot of new things on the device, and you'll see we have the 128GB variant with us. In fact, the base variant on the phone will now have 128GB of storage with 6GB of RAM. Let's take the phone out of the box and we'll take a look at all the new features you get on the device. So the OnePlus 6T now comes with a water drop style notch. It's a smaller notch compared to the OnePlus 6, and all the sensors, the ambient light, proximity and RGB sensor are embedded inside this notch only. You'll see the earpiece has gone above, and the overall phone size is very similar to that of the OnePlus 6 despite having a bigger 6.4-inch display. The back is curved on the edges and gives you a very good hold in the hands. Anyways, let's keep it aside and take a look at the other box contents, and we'll come back to the phone. You'll see the box has a new look altogether, and first up you get a small box inside the big box. Let's pull it out and take a look at the other things. So this is something new. You get a lot of stickers with the OnePlus 6T, boasting about the fact that it's a flagship killer among other stuff. You also get a leaflet that tells you all about the device. Next you get the SIM ejector tool in a very swanky card, and then you have the safety information guide. Anyways, let's take a look at the next box we have. Before that, there is an invitation letter and I need to open it from the back side. So here is a new style of letter that OnePlus CEO gives you with the phone. 5 years old and a million stories told. So here is the whole letter that OnePlus CEO has bundled inside the box. Next you get the usual Type-C cable that is red in color and good in length and quality, and you also get a Type-C to headphone jack adapter. So the OnePlus 6T does not come with a headphone jack, and that's a big difference compared to the OnePlus 6, and we'll take a look at that as well. The other thing is the dash charger that has 5 volt and 4 ampere of output rating, which makes it a 20 watt adapter. One of the most powerful smartphone chargers we have seen in a while. Now let's take a look at the phone. The first thing you'll notice apart from the notch is that the phone has this small sticker at front which tells you that there is an in-display fingerprint scanner. There is no fingerprint scanner at the back, and OnePlus has this time embedded it inside the display. Also on the display, OnePlus has used Corning Gorilla Glass 6 this time. So it is one of the first few phones to come with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 in this price segment. The back is also glass, and it's same as the OnePlus 6. It uses 40 different processes to give that 3D effect that OnePlus 6 had. Also, there are dual cameras at the back that have same configuration as the OnePlus 6. At the bottom you have a Type-C USB port with speaker grill and microphone, and at the top you get the secondary microphone for noise cancellation. At the right there is the power key, quite tactile and very easily reachable, and above that is the alert slider. On the left there is the volume rocker, which is again very tactile, and above that you get the SIM slots. There is no expandable storage on the phone, but it does give you an option to add 2 SIM cards. So I'll quickly set up the device and you take a look at the full specs of the OnePlus 6T. I'll set up the fingerprint scanner and we'll take a look at the speed of unlock. Compared to a regular scanner, you need to press the fingerprint scanner on OnePlus 6T quite hard for the finger to be recognized. So this is the OnePlus 6T guys. It runs Android 9 Pie straight out of the box, and there are features that we got on the OnePlus 6 as well. There are several changes if you compare it with the Android Oreo. In the settings menu you'll see it has been rearranged and it has been given a new look altogether. Also you'll see there are features that were available on the previous smartphone. And let's now take a look at the fingerprint scanner speed first. So the fingerprint scanner embedded inside the display is one of the major things you get on the OnePlus 60, and as you saw at first, it says the fingerprint sensor is dirty, but I'm probably not using enough pressure all the time. So you need to apply enough pressure on the fingerprint scanner for it to recognize your fingerprint. Let's quickly take a look at the front camera on the device. You get the same 16 megapixel resolution, and if you take a look at the photo taken from the camera, it delivers bright selfie, but I am not too confident about the details on the device. It does capture a good amount of light, and the color also is quite accurate. Anyways, this is the OnePlus 60, guys. You do get a front fingerprint scanner and a water drop style notch, but many of the things are same as the OnePlus 6. The cameras at the front and the back have same resolution. The display has same resolution. It's an AMOLED panel with same brightness levels, but it does come with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on top, which is more scratch resistant and more resistant to drops, and you get more storage on the base variant. In terms of look and feel and handling of the phone, it is very similar to the OnePlus 6. You get glass back, you get a metal frame that is quite solid and sturdy, and overall the build quality and weight of the phone is perfect for this screen size. Do let us know what you think about the phone in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on smartphones, gadgets and other technology like this. Thank you for watching.